In this video, I'll show you the areas and settings that affect how you work with projects. I'll click the gear to go to Settings. And then go to Features Settings, Lead/Project. The Lead and Project Classifications list lets us set up as many different kinds of classifications as we need to. Here I see my lead source and structure type classifications. Note that any classifications we set up here are available for both leads and projects. I'll click into a classification to see the possible values for that type. Let's say that my company does work in all construction sectors, and I want to track that. I'll click Add, and add a classification type called Construction Sector. Then I'll click into the list and add items. I also do lots of green building jobs, so I'm going to add the certification agencies I use so I can specify which system I'm using for each project. Classifications let you group, summarize, and report on your data, so any information you want to track about your projects and leads can be set up here. When we talk about the Leads module, we'll come back to this page to check on the lead stages list, so I'm done with this page for now. On the Feature Settings, Drawings page, you can modify the list of drawing disciplines that can be assigned to drawings when you add them to the project. I mentioned that you could manage your favorites from setting, so let's do that now. Favorites are those icons you see on the project homepage, and they're set by user, so when I configure my own favorites it won't affect what my colleagues see in their favorites. I'll go to the Settings landing page and click Set Favorite Features. This list shows me each of the project areas that I can include as a favorite on that project homepage, making it really simple to get to the areas I use most frequently. In addition to the favorites I've already selected, I'll add the estimates, job cost codes, and change orders. We'll cover all of those features in upcoming lessons, so for now I'm just adding them to favorites. I'll save that and go back to a project's homepage, and you'll see the new icons in my favorites list. Remember that you can always get to any project area using the links below favorites, so you don't need to add anything to favorites, but it's a great convenience. The last area in settings that I'll point out is templates and reports. I won't get into detailed report design here, but this is a good time to start thinking about which reports you'll want to customize. Notice that you can use customized reports and templates in several areas, such as scopes, checklists, emails such as team link invitations, and more. All of these areas have default report templates already in the system, so you don't have to do any customization, but you might find it helpful to modify some of the templates for your business. For example, let's say I've customized my project overview report that I want to use. In Templates and Reports, I'll click Detail Report Templates. Then I'll click Upload. The drop-down shows all of the different features, or record types, for which you can upload customized reports. I'll select Project Profile, enter a name, and select the file. Now let's go back to the project homepage to see how that works. I'll click Reports, Project Profile. Next to Template, you can see the report that I just added. As I said, I won't get into detailed report design in this video. You can find detailed instructions on how to customize reports in the Help Center. In this video, I explained the areas and settings to consider before you start working with projects, and I showed you how to get started customizing your own reports.